heart to God alone, and you don't play false to Him. When you never do what would deceive those above you or below. When you're open with God in all things. When you don't do things simply to win the favor and smile of God. This is being honest. Honesty means when you run from impurity in each word and each deed. When you cheat, not God nor people. Honesty means when you run from impurity in each word and each deed. When you cheat, not God nor people. This is honesty. Oh, this is honesty. If your words are filled with excuses, filled with vain explanations, then you are not practicing the truth. You're not willing to do so. How will you find the light and salvation if you don't bear your secrets? But if you like seeking the way of truth, you will always live in light. Honesty means when you run from impurity in each word and each deed. When you cheat, not God nor people. Honesty means when you run from impurity in each word and each deed. When you cheat, not God nor people. This is honesty. Whoa, this is honesty. If you're willing to serve in God's house, hard working, seeking no gain, then you are a faithful saint of God who just seeks to be honest. If you're frank and give your life to witness God, if you only wish to please Him and never consider yourself, you'll be nourished by the light and live in the kingdom forever. Honesty means when you run from impurity in each word and each deed. When you cheat,